Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to understand how to join two lists. Okay, so first let me create a class. I'm going to create a new class. I'm writing the class name as join lists and select public static void main and click on finish button. So there are three different ways you can join the lists. One is using add all method, and second method is using union, and also you can do using stream. So we are going to see all the three methods to join the lists. First of all, let me define a list. Let me define a list. So how you are going to define? So list string. So I'm defining my first list as list1, and is equal to new array list, and then define the string and then close the brackets. This is how you will define the list. So if you see here, it is asking for importing the packages. Just click on this and automatically you will be able to see what packages are required. So import Java util. So and also array list also you are using. That's the reason import array list packages as well. Both of them needs to be imported. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to write my list1 dot add. I'm naming that list with Java. Okay, so this is the item in my list1, and after that what I'm going to do is I'm going to define one more list. So take the copy of the same thing whatever we have defined here and name it as list2. So once you define list2, change the value. Let's say instead of Java I'm writing it as Python. Now you have two items defined. Now what I wanted to do is I wanted to join these two lists. To join these lists, what I'm going to do is list string. So I'm going to hold it into join is equal to new array list, because this is also going to be array list string and then close the brackets. So now once you define this one, now the first method add all method we are going to see how to join both of them. So use join dot let's see that J capital used to be here. Join dot add all. So if you see, if you don't type it in the proper case, it won't give you the intelligence of the tool. So and then what is the first one? List1 and close it. Similarly, same copy, and you should have Java join dot add all list2. So now what we wanted to do is I wanted to print all of them. So to print, we already know system out dot println, and then what is your first value? List1 is, and then plus whatever the list1 value you have written. That is what the first print. Similarly, you can have the same statement for second one. So first print statement will give you the list1 value, and this one give you the second value. And if you write the same one, this is list2, and if you write the same thing for joined list is you have to write join. So now if you run this program, you will be able to see all the values printed. So both of the lists will get added to the final output. So that is what you are going to see. See, first one, list 1 is Java, list 2 is Python, joined list is Java and Python. So this is how you will join the list items using add all method. And also, instead of using add all method, you can make use of union method also. So you can do the program in different ways based upon the interview. Like the interviewer may ask you, so how many ways you can do? In that case, you should be in a position to tell them these many ways you can join. So let us say if I comment this one, okay, I'm going to comment these two lines. Okay, I'm not going to make use of this add all method, but I'll take this one. List joined, if you take, is equal to list utils. This is one more built-in package you're going to use, dot union. So list util union, and inside of this one you have to write list 1 and list 2. If you write both of them, then automatically it will join. See, now if you run, see, automatically the required import is imported by the system. And now run the program, then automatically you will see the same outcome. See, Java, Python, and join list is Java, Python. So similarly, you can do the same thing using stream method. So to do stream method, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to comment this method also, and I'll take only this part. I'll take this join method, joined variable, whatever we have declared, is equal to. So you have to make use of stream dot. You are going to concatenate. So what you are going to concatenate? The first one, that is list 1 dot stream, and also you are going to concatenate list 2 dot stream, and finally what you are going to do is you wanted to collect them using collectors dot list, because you have to make sure that you are bringing it back to list. So then only this will work. See, automatically if something is not used, so we are not using that union method, that's the reason this error has come. You can ignore it now. So now if you run this program, automatically you will see the same outcome how you have seen in first two ways. So Java, Python, and the list is Java and Python. So there are three ways to add two lists. One is using add all method, and second one is union method, and third one is stream method. So this is how you can add the list.